This is how to set your SYNCRoTech Quickshifter a C-type control box. And to enter a setting mode, you have to press and hold both buttons together and power the control box. Then you will see a countdown timer from 3 to 0. You have to hold them for 3 seconds and then you will enter a setting mode. So I'm going to press both buttons together and power the control box. Hold for 3 seconds and now you're in a setting mode. And with the left button you will cycle through the different options, and to enter any particular option you have to press the right button. So this is a left button and I'm going to cycle through different options, and ST is a shift time which adjusts the Quickshifter engine interrupt time in milliseconds. And to enter this, to set it, I need to press the right button once, and now it's set to 60 milliseconds. And to increase or decrease this, I need to press the left button or the right button. To exit one level up, I need to press and hold the left button for 3 seconds. So I hold until 0, and now I'm one level up. Now next option is sensor select. So these control boxes are supplied with a dual motion shift sensor, which is capable of working in both directions, in compressing and extending, or in push or pull motion. To enter the setup, I need to press the right button once, and now it says PH, which stands for push or compressing. And I can change this option to pull, and if I'm not sure which type of motion I need, all I need to do is enter the setup and press the gear lever in the direction of upshifting, and the control box will sense which motion I need and display. So I'm going to press the gear lever now in the direction of upshifting, and it changes to PH, and that's what I need. So to exit this, go one level up, I need to press and hold the left button again for 3 seconds until 0, and now I'm one level up. So next option is the ultra smooth feature, which is an option for the Quickshifter and allows smooth transitions between gears. It will restore the power on the next gear when using the Quickshifter gradually, and it will give you a smooth transition. So to enter, I'm going to press the right button again, and 1 means that this option is enabled, 0 means that this option is disabled. I'm going to leave it to 1, and to exit one level up, I need to press and hold the left button again. So this is an AR, the Quickshifter active range, above 3000 RPMs, and that's when the Quickshifter becomes active. To enter it, press the right button once. So 3 means that it's active above 3000 RPMs, and I can change this to R6, which is active above 6000 RPMs, or R8, which is active, which makes it active above 8000 RPMs. I'm going to leave it to 3, that's the factory preset. And to go one level up, I need to press and hold left button for 3 seconds. So next option is shift sensor sensitivity control. To enter it, I need to press the right button once and adjust shift sensor sensitivity throughout the RPM range. So 1 is in between 3 and 5000 RPMs, and A, B or C stands for low, medium or high force required by the sensor to initiate a shift. So I can change this to medium or high force. And 1 means that I am in between 3 and 5000 RPMs, and I require, in this case, high force from the sensor. I'm going to leave it to A, and then the next level is 2, which means that I'm in between 5 and 7000 RPMs, and I require low force from the sensor to initiate a shift. So I can change this to medium or high. I'm going to leave it to low force. And number 3 means that I'm in between 7 and 9000 RPMs, and I require medium force from the sensor. Next level is in between 9 and 11,000 RPMs, and I require high force from the sensor. Next level is from 11,000 RPMs to red line, and I require high force from the sensor. All these have been preset from the factory. If you don't know what you're doing, or if you don't know what you need, just leave them as they are. To exit one level up, I need to press and hold left button again. To exit the setting mode, you need to power down the control box by turning the ignition key off. I'm going to do that now. To reset the control box to the factory settings, I need to be in a normal operating mode, indicated by SP flashing, and then I need to press and hold the shift lever in the direction of upshifting. When I press and hold the lever and activate the shift sensor, I will see a timer starting from 1, and it has to go all the way up until 9, and this will reset the control box. If you reset the control box by an accident or by purpose, you must recalibrate the sensor to the control box. To do so, power down the control box, disconnect the shift sensor, then power up the control box, and you will see CL on the display. Now I need to connect the shift sensor to the control box, and it will show pH. Now the control box awaits for me to compress the cell all the way in until solid. And in my case, I need to press the gear lever up until pH stops flashing. And it's really important that you don't back off the shift lever. Do it gradually all the way until pH stops flashing. I'm going to do that now. That's it. That's maximum travel for the sensor. I'm going to release it now, and now the control box awaits for me to extend the cell all the way until PL stops flashing. So I'm going to do that now. In my case, I have to press the gear lever down. That's it. That's maximum travel. So I'm going to release it, and that's it. This sensor has been calibrated to this control box. You don't need to do that. If you receive your control box brand new, it has been pre-calibrated from the factory. You only need to calibrate a sensor if you're replacing a new sensor or if you have reset the control box. That's it.